this does, and I know it's just the beginning of what it's going to do, it empowers a new person to be the best version of themselves quickly. They can be authentic, but they can be the best version of authentic really fast. Like in a day, they can create connection with the world when they didn't think they were going to be able to do it before. That makes me happy, because, you know, what I've learned about business is all business is conversation. That's all it is. If you're in conversation, you're in business. If you're not in conversation, you're not in business. And most people have a quantity problem when it comes to conversations. They need to increase the number of conversations that they have. And not only will this help them authentically represent themselves to the world, but it will be a conversation starter. And then the people who are still scared to death, and most people are totally paralyzed by fear. Once even I can give them a script and I can give them some training and they'll fill up their notepads. And then as soon as they have to go out there and go do something, they freeze. So this will help them not freeze, and it'll help them look cool to their friends. So it'll be a conversation starter. It'll create engagement. It will help them respond to the people who are responding to their content. It'll help them identify who their tribe is and bring value to that tribe. What I'm always looking for and rarely find is a skill-proof and fear-proof system. Tell me how many things that exist in your world that are skill-proof and fear-proof. Because if you find it, then you can get it all. I mean, you can not only, will it help you, but all you have to do is sit down with a prospect and say, let me show you a couple things. Before you say no to this opportunity, let me tell you how you can use this in order to be able to find more customers. Let me show you how to use this in order to be able to find more people that might be interested in your business. Let me just show you how you can just do this, give me 5 minutes. Let me show you this, in order to be able to get reach and scale. 4 things that we do in network marketing. Number 1, we sell. And will this help people sell their products or services using word-of-mouth advertising and good language, good images, good posts, engaging things? Will it do it? Of course. Number 2, we recruit. And will it help you find the customers? Yep. Number 2, we recruit an ever-expanding team of people who are also selling. So will this create more conversations, create more curiosity? Will this give people ways to be able to interact with those prospects, keep the conversation going? Will this system itself, just the process of connecting with other people, once you show a prospect, a network marketing prospect, how they can use this in order to be able to do it, will it help people make a decision to say, I was not comfortable doing this, if I have to think of everything and if I have to do everything, if you make me do a Facebook Live on day 1, I'm out, but, I'll get there. But if you show them this, it reduces fear, right? Skill-proof and fear-proof. Third thing that we do is we duplicate. What does this do for duplication? Pretty dramatic. Because if you can do it and I can do it, I'm not tech savvy, I get it done. But instead of having to have 10 employees, you can have one virtual employee that you can abuse. That, they'll work 24 hours a day instead of, physical employees that are taking the weekend off. you can ask it to do whatever you want, whenever you want. And then the fourth thing that we do, so we sell, we recruit, we duplicate, and then we lead. Will this help you be more effective in your communication, in your training, in your leadership within your organization? So answering all those questions, like hypothetically, was exciting for me and good for me. And I'm like, cool, but now prove it. Prove that it really works. Because there's a lot of fancy stuff out there as far as presentations, but not necessarily as far as implementation. So to see that it works, to see that some dum-dum like me with technology can make it happen, I'm like, all right,